So for this one, we are to create and return function that increments the count for that key every time the method is called and returns the value returned by the original method. Remember that the first argument of the wrap function will be self, which is the instance itself, which lets you access the Redis instance. Then when defining the character, it is useful to use func2.wraps to conserve the original func's name. So in this link, it takes you to a Python string app. Forgot what it's called. So it takes you there. So we just go and look at it, but let's just do it. So right above here, we're going to define create a function decorator called count calls. And then it's going to check the method is callable. It's going to return callable. So of course, inside this function decorate, we create another one called a wrapper. This is going to be responsible for incrementing the method passing itself so you're going to add this thing called subscript. These necessaries. Well, you can look it up. That's risky. What it does is say there to avoid muting. You think shadow. And then what else? Okay. We need to import func2. Wrap methods. Don't explain this right now, but you can also think about it. And then use the qualified key. Use the qualified. So we use the qualified name as the key. Call name is also known as qualified name. And then next, we increment the call count using the incr command. Then here we pass in the key. Then next, we call and return the original method. Just copy this Let's see it here. So after calling and returning the original method, we also return the wrapper function for the function decorator. And then after that, we go to the get method or store method. And then we decorate the function with the count call function. Yeah, the store. So we decorate the store method with the count call decorator. And this is supposed to be at, yeah, yeah.